understand that, then we will write the, you can write the theory, then we will execute the code. So ref is nothing but a directly targeting the DOM elements. So till now what we discussed, when we are creating any React app, first it is creating the real DOM. After that, it is making a copy. When I will change anything, then it will create a one more copy, and that particular node only it is going to change for us. Like this, it is happening React flow. Now, no, sir, I don't want to do like that. Directly, I want to target. Directly, I want to target the elements and utilization I want to do. In that cases, we are going to use the ref. Sir, where we can use those things? Simple example. Your video players, audio players. Okay, so when I click fraction of seconds, you need to play that one song. Yes or no? Or else, no, sir, I don't want to. It will load again and again. It will work. Like that, it will work. First of all, no, right? It is not possible only. It is not possible only. Due to that reason, first we need to target the real DOM and then it should work. If you want to target the real DOM for any elements, you are using the ref concept. Clear? That's it. This is nothing but a ref. So we will use utilization ref in the function based component only. Use ref we will use. So everything we are going to do here. Is it clear, everybody? Okay, that is the concept of ref. Sir, where we can use in media players. It means VLCs, etc. things are then a video players. Next one, audio players. For that, handling the form. Input data, you need to take the data, right? For that cases, we can use this one. Is it clear, ma? So in three cases, we can use. If when you want to directly target the DOM, we need to use the ref concept. That's it. That is nothing but a ref. Is it clear, everybody? Okay. Now we will work on it. Now you guys can write the ref concept notes, ma. After that, I will have executions. Yeah. Okay, guys. So ref and the usage of the ref. Okay. In short terms, ref we will call it as a references. Okay. So why we are using with this one, directly access and manipulate the DOM elements. So what I told, directly we are going to access the DOM elements. At that time, we are using this ref concept. Okay, React components without triggering a re-render, it allows the interaction with the elements imperatively by passing the React declarative nature. So we discussed about the declarative nature also, right? What I told declarative nature, what we will told, that one only it will do. That only it is telling there. Okay. So when to use that one, accessing down, focus the input freeze, play and pause a video or the scroll animations, third party libraries, everything we'll use. But we will never use ref in the real world. Out of 100 times, one or two times you are going to use. If you have any want to play any video at the time only we need to use. Input tags also we have some other method. That one we will use for handling the form also. Audio players, video players, when external libraries you need to import and utilize at the time only. External libraries we will use very rare cases only. Directly we will install and we are utilizing the external libraries, third party libraries, everything. Yeah, guys, done? Huh? Everybody done? Yeah, guys, done everybody? Okay. Now we will start our executions now. Okay. So ref theory is that much only more technical. Apart from nothing is there. So we will start our executions, how it is working, everything we will see now. So simply npm create white at the rate latest. Guys, am I audible, guys, online people? Okay, fine. So what we can do, CMD, npm create white at the rate latest hyphen hyphen space hyphen hyphen template react ref concept enter. No installation, no need for me. cd space ref enter npm install. Okay, guys, inside that one, everything we know right already. What we need to do? Simply, we need to delete this data. src I need to delete. So after that, I need to create the src folder. Now inside this main.jsx app.jsx RAFCE. So app is there inside the main. What I need to write? Create root document.get element by id of render. What I need to write here? So app component I need to write. Okay, guys, now app I'm going to run. After that, next step, what I need to do now? I need to open the terminal. I need to run my app, whether it is working or not. npm run dev. If I click, yes, it is successfully re-rendering for me. Open in the external browser. Yep, it is working fine only for me. So the next step, what I need to do here, I will create a components now. Component.jsx. So inside this one, I'm going to create the ref.jsx. So inside this simply RAFCE I need to use now. Okay, RAFCE we need to use. First, we will see the focusing the input field. How we are focusing, how we are entering the data, everything we will check, and how to get the values also we will see ma. So simple agenda. First, whenever you want to use the ref, first thing you need to create ref. Okay, first thing you need to create a ref here. So how to create the ref here? Simple. Let input ref equals to use ref of. That's it. Okay, ma input ref equals to use ref of. Now, what is the meaning of this use ref of? That particular use ref is present inside the React only. React libraries we have on React and the React DOM. This input ref is that particular use ref is present inside the React itself. From there, we are taking this one and we are utilizing this one. Okay. The next step, what I need to do, I need to connect this ref with whom I need to work. Okay, just example, you are a reference is there. It means yourself, you are a reference. You need to connect with the people, right, to need to work. Same to same thing. If the ref should work, I need to connect with that particular field. or that particular element with whom I need to work here. Is it clear, ma? So what I'm going to do, simply I'm writing the one input field. So I want to work with the input field only, right? So here I need to connect. How to connect? Here you need to write the attribute called ref. Here you need to write the attribute called ref. Here simply you need to make it as the input ref. Here simply you need to make it as a input ref here. So simply what I'm going to do here, I will sorry, I'm using the one button submit. Okay. Simply I will use one function here. So let ref function equals to one function I'm going to write here. Inside that, console log of input ref. We need to check now what it is returning for me. It means input ref creating, we are using that data. We need to understand now what it is creating, what are the things are present. Everything we need to understand that, right? So simply when I need to execute this one, when I on click the button, when I click the button, what I need to execute? Ref function I need to execute. Is it clear, ma? When I click on that particular button, I want to execute the ref function. Shall we check whether it is there? So I need to call this ref function inside the app, right? So what is that I need to use? Ref. Okay, now you guys can check. Now ref is there. See that input field is here. Now simply what I will do here. Just I'm removing the responsiveness, ma. If you observe here, when I click on the submit, what it is returning for me? What it is returning for me? One object. One object it is going to return for me. Inside the object, what is the property I have? Current property I have. Inside the object, which property I have? Current property. If you open this one, inside this current property is there, if you open this, so where it is connected, ma? Input. So that particular ref is connected to the input element. That particular ref is connected to the input element. Now, if you can check the value, currently value is empty, right? Yes or no? Now, apart from that, we have access key. So many properties we have. So many properties. See, checked one. Checked one where we are going to use. Why we are using the checked? Any idea? Checkbox, radios, checkboxes. For that, we need to use a checked one. So children inside the node collections, we have a children's. Yeah. Now inside that we have so many things are there. So inner text, text to context. So like that we have a focused, etc. things are there. Is it clear, ma? So what is the important for me? What ref is returning for me? What ref is returning for me? Object. Ref is returning for me the object. Inside that ref, what is the property I have? Current property we have. What we have? Current property we have. Is it clear, ma? It means what is the meaning of this particular current means present the ref where it is going to connected. Is it clear, ma? Where it is going to connected? That is nothing but a ref property. Is it clear, all of you? Okay. Now, next step, I need to access the data now. Okay, now what I will do here inside that input ref dot current I am going to use. Input ref dot current I am going to use now. Now you guys can check. Now when I click on the submit again, what will happen? What it is returning for me, ma? Input tag only, right? Yes or no? So simply I want to focus this. So how to focus that particular element? Input ref dot current dot focus off. So what is the meaning when I click on that button? I want to focus the input field. Shall we check? Is it focusing right? Previously, if I will not use this one, whether it is focusing or not, you guys only check. Is it focusing? Now, when I use current dot focus, now it is focusing only, right? Yes or no? This is nothing but a can I call DOM manipulation? Sir, how it is? How it is DOM manipulation? If you observe carefully here, can I target the before element? If you observe sibling selectors, you can observe I can target only the forward way. Backward way can I target? But here I'm targeting the backward way, right? Yes or no, Ray? First child, second child. First child is input field, second child is a button for me. Now, by using the second child, I'm targeting the first child. Is it possible actually? No, right? Only where it is possible in the DOM manipulations. In the DOM manipulations, only it is possible. Now I'm doing that one only. So due to that reason, they are telling when you are using the ref concept, it means references concept when you are using, it will be directly targeting to the DOM elements. It will be directly targeting to the DOM elements. For example, sir, when I submit the data, I want to get the input data, sir. I want to get input data. How to get that one for suppose? Simply here, nothing you need to write. When you see the object, input ref is returning with one object. Inside their property is a current. That current is targeted the input field. When I open the input field, what we get? Value we get, right? So simply what you need to write here. So simple, what you need to do? Input ref dot current dot value. Input ref dot current dot value. Now what will happen? You guys can check here. Now I'm going to do here, inspect this particular data, console dot log. Now I'm writing here as a RAM. Anything triggered? No. But when I click on the submit, check here. Renadi. Console log I forgot. Console log of control. Okay, now when I click on the submit, RAM. Now by using this ref concept, I'm collecting the data from the input fields also. Yes or no? By using the input ref, I'm collecting the data from the user input fields also. Is it clear, everybody? Now one of the use cases is done for us. One of the use cases is done. Now what is the second use case? What I told, playing the audio and the video. Input field targeting done for me. Now I need to play the audio and the videos now. Now how to do that one? First we'll download audio to our local storage. ఏ ఆడియో తీసుకుందాం చెప్పండి యూట్యూబ్ ఫ్రమ్ వీడియో వి విల్ డౌన్లోడ్ ఏ సాంగ్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేద్దాం టెల్ మీరు ఎనీ సాంగ్ పాటలు వినరా మీరు ఎవరు దెన్ యా టెల్ మీ మా ఎనీ సాంగ్ మూవీ పేరేంటి ఏంటి గట్టిగా రవ్వా నాకు వినిపించట్ల లేదా ఇక్కడ టైప్ చేయి నువ్వే ఈ సింగం డియా ఎన్ఈఆ ఇదేనా Idena? Okay, just I'm going to download this song to my local storage. Okay, the song has been downloaded, ma. So directly what I'm going to do now, Control X, copy that one. Ah, yeah, share. How many times we will play it? Chikiri. Salar song, sir. Okay. So directly, guys, am I audible, guys, online people? Now it is visible screen. Okay, so that na song will be downloaded and paste inside the public ma. Okay, directly paste inside the public here. Okay. So after that, what we need to do now? Public లో paste చేసాం. Till now completed. So after that I want that image also, right? So we will save that image. So directly I'm downloading inside this. Now we will check whether both are coming or not. Yes, both are came. Now first I want to display the image ma. తర్వాత ఆడియో సంగతి చూసుకుందాం. First I want to display the image. So what I will do here, regularly we are using image tag, directly we can use like this also, public slash. So we will get like this. So if we will check in the UI, yes, obviously we will get the image. This is the one way. This is the one way of the getting the image in the UI. Second way, what is the second way means? So directly here, you need to import that. Import image one, from where you need to import dot dot slash. So public, from the public, you need to import that particular image. Okay. So like this, you can import. After that, in the SRC given direct like this, right? In the place, you need to give the image one. Image one you need to give like this also, it will work for us. Okay. So most probably we will use this method only. Most probably we will use this method only. When I have multiple images are there, right? I will import all of them. I will create an array and I will iterate and I will generate the values. Okay. Most probably we will use like this only. Importing is the best way for the importing the image here. Till now clear? Okay. And next one. What is the next thing I need to do? Now, what I'm going to use audio, right? Yes or no? Audio. So I need to create the new ref. Let audio ref equals to use ref of. Audio ref equals to use ref of. Now what I'm going to do now? What is my requirement now? When I click on the image, I want to play that song. Is it clear what I'm going to do? When I click on the image, I want to play that song here. So for that case, what I need to do? Simply, I need to use the audio tag. Audio play one to audio tag కావాల్సిందే కదా. Yes or no? If you want to play the audio, mandatory we need audio tag. So inside here, you can directly pass like this also. Slash this one. Song is there. So now if you will use the directly controls, now you guys can check. It will be displayed like this. It will work. Pakka, it will work. Guys, online people, so you can't, my guess, you can't hear the audio, right? But it is playing. Okay, play అవుతుందా? But what is my requirement? When I click on the image I want to play here. So for what I need to do now, I will not use controls here. In the place of controls, I need to use the ref. Ref, what is that ref? Audio ref. Ref, audio ref. So again, I need to write the function. Let play song equals to one function I need to write. Inside that directly, I need to write audio ref dot current dot play off. Audio ref dot current dot play off. So directly it will going to play a song for me. Let's try that one. Just a second. I will check that. Any errors I'm getting up. Oh, I didn't assign Nama on clicker. Sorry. On clicker. What is the click ma? Play song. That's it, right? On clicker, play song. Now we will check where I'm clicking. Check here. I have any controls, huh? No. When I click on the image at that time it is playing. Is it clear, all of you? Now, indirectly, what you are designing, one type of media players you are designing now. Okay, see, when I click on the image, it is playing. Now, when I click on the image, I want to stop. When I click on the image, I want to stop again. Online people, I know you can't listen, but the audio is playing here. Trust me, okay? You need to trust me. You don't have any option. You gonna try means you can try by yourself. Yeah. Is it clear, guys? Now, when I click on it, it should play. When I again click on it, I want to pause that one. How can I do now? Playing is fine. Play అవుతుంది నాకు. When I click, I need to pause that one, right? How can I do that? Huh? ఓకే. మళ్ళా ఫంక్షన్ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత ఓకే. ఫైన్. అంటే ఆ ఫంక్షన్ రాసుకుందాం. అది ఓకే. తర్వాత హౌ కెన్ ఐ అప్లై? అది ప్లేలో ఉందని నాకు ఎలా తెలిసిద్ది? ఆర్ యు గెట్టింగ్ మై పాయింట్ మా? హౌ షుడ్ ఐ గెట్ టు నో దట్? ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు పాజ్ మీన్స్ ఐ నీడ్ టు ప్లే నా? How can I get to know that it is playing? Which concepts we need to use here? ఓకే. ఇఫ్ ఎల్స్ ఫ్రెండ్ ఎలా తెలిసిద్ది నాకు? క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమవుతుందా నాది? If else condition we will play ma. Okay, everything is right only. Ref pause we will do. If else condition we will do. I'm agree with your point. How I get to know that it is playing? Clarity unda. If you wanna pause means you need to first play it. How to get to know that the song is playing for me? To apply the pause. In medias, what you will do? When you click on the play button, it should be in the pause button symbol is there. So you get to know that it is playing. So I need to pause like that. Here I don't have any symbols. Then ternary operator with not. I agree with your point, Ray. Chaitanya. What is my question is here? Ternary operator, if I want to use, how can I get to know that that audio is playing for me? Huh? అంటే నీకు సిస్టమ్ తెలిసిద్దా? నువ్వు వింటున్నావు ఒప్పుకుంటా. పాజ్ చేయాలి నేను. సిస్టమ్కి ఎలా తెలుసు అది ప్లే అవుతుందని చెప్పి? Controls using means that is a dorm dummy only. Now how can I play with the image then? Ella, any ideas which concepts we can use? On play event. Okay, that is also for how many cases you will use that on play event. For example, I have a 10 elements are there. For 10 elements you will use on play. Can I use state here? State. When I click on that particular image, I will make it as the true. If it is a true means the audio is playing. Again, when I click on it, I want to make it as a false. If it is a false means the audio is I need to pause. State concept only because everything is done in the components. So here we need to use the state concept. Now we will check here. Let song, comma, play, comma, set song equals to use state of. Use state of, first I will make it as a false. I will make it as a false here. So what I need to do now? Again, I will write the condition. If that particular song play na ఇచ్చింది, yes. Song play is true. What I need to do now? Pause I need to make, and after that set song play I need to make it as a true here. That's it, right? అది false లో ఉన్నప్పుడు here I will make it as a false. Now else if it is a false means what I need to do? Audio ref dot current dot play of. Again what I need to do? Set song play of true. Is it clear or no? State concept I need to use when I click. I want to make it true or false. If it is true, I want to make it as a false. If it is a false, I want to make it as a play. Now you guys can check here. Now currently what it is in the false. Until unless I will click, it will not play. When I will click, pause. When I click, play. When I click, pause. Clear how to do that? Okay. So like this, we can use the play and pause. Like this, we can use a play and pause. Don't think completed, not at all completed. Okay. Ref, one stage only we are. Multiple we need to do there. Okay. Next one, video song. Which video song we will play? Which video song, Ray? Down on songs now. మౌనిక ప్లే చేద్దామా? వీడియో సాంగ్ రే. ఓకే మౌనిక సాంగ్ బాలే. మరి ఏ సాంగ్ ప్లే చేద్దాం? బిల్లానా? వైబ్ ఉంది. లేదంటే సాంగ్ చెప్పండి మీరే. సింగారియా? సింగారి పోలేమా? సింగారి సిన్నదానదా? దిస్ సాంగ్ ఓన్లీ. Okay. So I need to download this. How to download? From the URL, I need to remove the from the YouTube last three words. Everybody's know, right, this method? From the YouTube domain name, remove the last three characters of the YouTube. UBE and click enter. Then it is redirecting me to this page. So I want to make it as a MP4. I need to select in the Atla. Get me to video list, go to video page. Now select the MP4 360, format shift to MP4. That's it. So directly I can download the. It will take time, I guess. Start అయిందా అవ్వలేదు ఇంకా? Started. Okay, so after downloading this one, what you need to do again? Same story. Control X. दाऊदी ना. अरे हिंदी सॉन्ग that one दाऊदी. Paste inside that. Okay. Now the next step. అవతారం కూడా చల్లారు. Okay. So what I need to do, I need to import this song. So different way we will use now this one. So simply import video one from dot dot slash dot dot slash. So public slash this one. Later you are Anjana. So okay. So I downloaded that one. So after that, next step, ఏం చేయాలి? Video tag. Inside the SRC, directly you can pass. What you can pass? Video one I can pass. So it is a video, right? So again, I need to create a new ref. Let video ref equals to use ref of. Now again, new function. Let handle video equals to one function I am going to write here. Again, same state we can use ma. If so what I have, song play is true, then what I need to do now? Video ref dot current dot pause off. So what I need to do? Set song play off. True, right? Yes or no? Now same like that. Else what I need to do? Video ref dot current dot play off. Next one, set song play off false. But in this scenario, one thing will happen, and definitely collision will happen. Hmm? ఇంకో స్టేట్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలమ్మా. అప్పుడు నా దగ్గర స్టేట్ ఇప్పుడు ఏమైనా ప్రెసెంట్ సాంగ్ ప్లే ఒక స్టేట్ తో మీకు చూపిస్తా. ఏం జరిగిద్దో కూడా చూసుకుందాం మనం అప్పుడు. ఓకేనా? బికాస్ కొలిజన్ షుడ్ బి హ్యాపన్ దేర్. సో టు అవాయిడ్ దట్ వన్ మోర్ న్యూ స్టేట్ we need to create there. Now you guys can check in the UI video is there. Refresh. On click I need to apply now. So on click I didn't use. So not here. Here on click handle video. That's it. Now you guys can check here in the player watla. Yeah. ఆ సాంగ్ వస్తుంది. అది ప్లే అవుతుంది. హ్యాండిల్ వీడియో పెడితే షబ్బా. అదేనమ్మా, మై బ్యాడ్. ఓకే. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ వెన్ ఐ క్లిక్? పాజ్ అవ్వట్లేదండి. పాజ్ రాసామా? ఆ? Okay. Now it is working. Currently, what is my state now? True, right? But here you can check. Is it playing? Fine audio. No, right? ఏం జరుగుతుంది అర్థమవుతుందా ఇక్కడ? So here, when I'm using the same thing for the multiple songs, when I'm using the same state for the multiple songs, what is happening here? Collision is happening. For example, if you observe, both the functions are there. This is the play song function. This is the video song function. So what will happen? Both I am playing in the single state only. Yes or no? Both I am playing in the single state only. So what will happen in this case? If you observe carefully, this one also, if it is a false means I need to pause that. This one also, if it is a false means I need to pause that. Both the conditions are working same thing, right? Yes or no? So when I will play any song, okay, it is playing that song, right? When I click here, it will not play. Why? Because it in the true state. If it is a true state means pause will work. So then it will work now. అర్థమవుతుందా? If any song I am playing, the state is going for the true. The state is going for the true. When it is coming for the second function, what will happen there? True will be executed. True is pause only. Pause only it will work. State ఒకటే కదా. State ఒకటే కదా. See here. When I will click on this particular song. Now what is my state value? True, right? When I click on it, now false. Okay. Now true. Now false. Fine everything. Now when I will click on this, now it is in the true value. Now again I will click on this. Pause will work, right? Now when I will click on this, now both it will play. Both it is going to play now. ఇప్పుడు ఏంటి అడుగు? ఇక్కడ నేను చెప్పదలుచుకుంది ఏంటంటే అమ్మ, సింగిల్ స్టేట్స్ తో ఎప్పుడైతే నేను హ్యాండిల్ చేస్తున్నానో, ఫస్ట్ ఎప్పుడైతే నేను వీడియో సాంగ్ ప్లే చేస్తున్నానో ఆ స్టేట్ వాల్యూ ట్రూకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. అవునా? ఎప్పుడైతే నేను పైది హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నానో అక్కడ ట్రూ ఉంది కదా, అది వర్క్ అవ్వదు నాకు. కిందది మార్చితే దాకా అప్పుడు దాకా వర్క్ అవ్వదు. సో హౌ టు డూ దట్ అన్ ఆడియో వీడియో బోత్ ఎట్ ఎ టైమ్ వీ కాంట్ ప్లే ప్యారలీ. ఓకే. ఇంకో స్టేట్. సో అది సింగిల్ హెయిర్స్ తో ఎలా హ్యాండిల్ చేయాలని చెప్పి రేపు చూద్దాం. ఓకే, ద టైమ్ ఈస్ డన్. So you guys will try this much. Then we will see tomorrow how to play multiple songs on a single state. It means when I click on that image, that song will play. If I click on this image, this song will play, that song will pause. Okay, that one we will check. Okay, yeah. Is it clear, online people? Yeah, guys, you can do your practice now. And after that, after we completing that one, we will design one small video player also. Okay. Ah, yes, that's it. If I want to get that stuff, what I need to do, I need to close the previous machine, then I can assign a new machine. Same like that only, this one also. Okay, guys, my suggestion is there. Tomorrow you will have any videos in your system is collect and keep in a single folder. Okay, once we completed that one, we will start a mini project. What is that mini project? Is video player. Okay, we will play the videos and different scenarios we will see there. Indirectly, we can building a YouTube. Okay, commenting sections I am undao meeku. Just one UI you will get, once full video you will get. When you click on the single video there, that video will be play here and the video will be removed from there. అర్థమవుతుందా మీకు? So same like that we will building here as a YouTube by using the React. Okay. So what are the videos you want? What are the video songs or video images or sorry, movies or whatever you want? You can keep in your systems. Okay. Make in a single folder. నా దగ్గర అప్పుడు అయ్యి ఉంటే అవి పెట్టేసుకుంటా నేను. Because I need to search what are the movies, etc. I have movies and songs, multiple batches, multiple videos ఉంటాయి. ఏ ఒక 4 వీడియోలు పెట్టుకుని పెట్టేస్తా అక్కడ. Okay, you need to search and you need to keep that. Okay, yeah. And try to complete in the session only. In that, try to complete that particular thing inside the session, because once you go out and you will do, if you get the error means React మీద విరక్తి వచ్చేది. Openly I'm telling, because if you can done here, I am here to solve you the questions. So we will do those things easily. But once you will think, sir, I will go home and I will try that one, means React మీద విరక్తి వచ్చేసింది అని చెప్పేస్తాను మీకు. Okay, because still now you don't know how to do the debug the codes. You are not capable for the, I don't know how many people you can read the codes. It means you need to read the error, understand that error, what is happening. So many people, what they will think, error come, close the laptop, keep aside. Nobody is seeing what the error we are getting. So when you read that particular error, na, automatically you will get to know that what you need to do. That try to read the errors, understand the errors, then flow will be automatically get for you people. Okay. When you bring me the laptop, so what I'm doing, randomly I'm doing, what I did every time, if you observe carefully, when you get, sir, it is not working, I will open the inspect. Have you observed anybody? First, I will open the inspect console. I will check what error I am getting. According to that, I will solve. How much time it is taking, right? 10 to 20 seconds only, right? అంతకుమించి ఉంటున్నారా మీరు నా దగ్గర? No. 10 to 20 seconds, you are solving the error, you are leaving. What? Reading the error is important. Reading the error also, it is showing the error, where we are getting that particular error. That one is also important for us. Is it clear, ma? Yeah. Now you can try these things. Then tomorrow we will play that one. If that one is complete means, then we will design a video player starting. Okay? Start. Laptop laptop ఇక్కడ బయట అవ్వాలి, ఎందుకంటే మళ్ళీ వీడియో ప్లేయర్ మనం డిజైన్ చేస్తున్నాం, డిజైన్ అంటే చాలా కష్టం. సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇష్యూ Which code, Ray? That is a this is the code only. Yeah, guys, one more point. Now onwards, try to understand the flow of the React. Try to understand the flow of the React. Why I am telling that one means now I am doing everything in a single file. When you have a new concepts is going to add, same concept split in the multiple files. One place I will create state, one place I will create function, one place I will utilize. So at a time, three is not possible to display in the screen. So understand the flow, data flow, from where this is going, from where it is updating, where I'm using everything line by line, you need to understand. Okay. When if you have that type of structure means I will design a diagram for you to understand the flow. It does not worry about it. I will understand, but you need to understand that particular data flow. Now onwards, everything is like that only. Already we entered now, basic stuff is completed. Now we are moving into the advanced levels. Okay. So the topics, how many given? 14 topics I given. How many topics we completed? State, props, components, ref we started. Connect the CSS. Four concepts. How many days it is taking? 1 week you can leave for the JavaScript. 1 week, four concepts only we completed. Still ref is pending. Still ref is pending for us. Is it clear, ma? So think like that, how much explanation is there for that particular concept? Theory చిన్నగానే ఉంటది. Theory nothing is. If you are writing the theory, what it is telling? Just what it is behaving. But coming to the code, how it is different? Yes or no? When you're doing the coding, it is different. Theoretically, it is different. So don't depend on the theories. Do practical things. Then only you can easily you can understand the React. Okay? Now start your works. Uh, After that, you can leave. చేస్తాం. ఆ, దాని మీద జస్ట్ ఓవర్ అయితే నీకు ప్లే అయిపోద్ది కదా. ఏంది, ఆడియో ఏమి రాకుండా. రేపు చేద్దాం, ఉంది అది కూడా నేర్పిస్తాం. ఓకే, అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి. దానికి ఏముంది, వీడియోలో పెట్టేసేసుకుని ఆన్ ఆన్ మౌస్ ఎంటర్ ప్లే చేయాలి. ఫంక్షన్ మౌస్ ఎంటర్ అయినప్పుడు ఫంక్షన్ చేస్తే చాలు. Not at all, Ria. You can continue with this. If you have any errors or anything you can facing means I will help you. Not at all issue for you. Okay. Then also you're not getting that concept means then we will think what we will do. Okay. నిజంగా మరి ప్రాపర్ గా మరి ఇది ఎలా ఇది కూడా అంతే. అంటే ఆ, ఇలా ఖర్చు వాడు డిజిటల్ డిస్ప్లే ఫ్లక్స్ వాడితే పేరెంట్ యూజ్ వస్తుంది అంటే కాంపోనెంట్స్ రెండు కాంపోనెంట్ అది పెట్టిన ఉదాహరణ డబ్బు దాని ఎక్కడ డౌన్ చేశారు ఇప్పుడు ఇలా డౌన్ చేస్తారు కదా ఇలా చేయకూడదు కదా ఇప్పుడు వీటి ప్లాన్ తీసుకొని డిస్ప్లే ప్లస్ పేరెంట్ అప్లై చేస్తాం అప్పుడు మూడు ఎలా వస్తాయి ఇట్లా వచ్చింది అవునమ్మా డిపెండ్ మరి పేరెంట్ కాదు మూడింటికి నావ్ కాదు కంటైనర్ వన్ కంటైనర్ టూ కానీ ఇలా రాకూడదు ఎలా రావాలి ఈ రెండు అప్పుడు ఈ రెండింటి కలిపి ఒక పేరెంట్ ఈ రెండింటి కలిపి ఒక పేరెంట్ రావాలి సార్ అప్పుడు పేరెంట్ తీసుకుని డిస్ప్లే ప్లస్ రాసి రెండింటి ఇలా వస్తాయి రానప్పుడు పద్ధతి ఎన్నిసార్లు నేర్పించానో మీకు మరి చూసుకోవాలి మళ్ళా సేమ్ ఇంటికి వస్తాను ఏమన్నా నేను ఇచ్చిందని చూసుకోండి అంటే ఏం కాదు చేస్తా ఉంది అయ్యే వస్తాయి చేస్తాం. క్రియేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు చెప్తానప్ప అన్ని ఇప్పుడే నేను నీకు. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ కాంపోనెంట్ ఇక్కడ కాంపోనెంట్ వాడు రెండు కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఒకటి అయిపోయింది. రెండు కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఒకటి అయిపోయింది. రెండు కాంపోనెంట్స్ అయిపోయినాయి. రెండు ఒకటే కదా రెండు సార్లు ఎందుకు రాయడం ఇన్వెస్ట్గా నేను అడుగుతా. కాంపోనెంట్ ఇక్కడ కాల్ చేసి ఇక్కడ కాల్ చేసి అర్థమైందా? ఏం చెప్పాలా? ఏం చెప్పాలి? చెయ్యొచ్చు. ప్రస్తుతానికి అంత ఇంకేముండదు. ఇంకో కాంపోనెంట్ ఇంకో కాంపోనెంట్ ఇంకో కాంపోనెంట్ మూడు కాంపోనెంట్స్ డివైడ్ చేసి ఒక కాంపోనెంట్ పెట్టుకో మొత్తం మొక్కలు అయింది కదా. అర్థమైందా? కోడ్ నీకు అలవాటు అయింది కదా. యాంగర్ టైటిల్ అదే కదా రియాక్ట్ అంటే జావస్క్రిప్ట్ వాళ్ళు అంతే కదా. అర్థమైంది చెప్పింది. వెళ్ళని మొత్తాన్ని అదే క్రియేట్ చేసి ఒకే లైన్ మొత్తం సరిపోతుంది. సార్ సేమ్ లైన్ ఇంకో చోట వాడాలి. ఈ కాంపోనెంట్ డైరెక్ట్ వాడుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే సేమ్ డేటా. ఓకే పారాగ్రాఫ్ వాడతాం. కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఒకటే యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాం. డేటా ఓకే దిస్ ప్లేస్ ఇస్ ఫైన్. దిస్ ప్లేస్ ఇట్ ఇస్ ఫైన్. లెట్స్ డేటా మల్టిపుల్ టైమ్స్ పారాగ్రాఫ్ రాదు. దానికంటే రోజులు ఒకేసారి కాల్ చేసుకుంటాం. పారాగ్రాఫ్ కూడా కాంపోనెంట్. yes that's it. Okay, it's done for the day. You can leave.